Hi, my name is Chris, and I am the Technical Key Account Manager here at Anybus Diagnostics. Today I'd like to show you some of the settings that you can change for your EtherTAP2 in your industrial network. So, first thing, we can click on the Settings tile on our dashboard. From here, we can click on Network, and we can click on EtherTAP Configuration. Please note, if any of these are grayed out, it could just be that you have a missing license. What you can do is you can drag this down, click on the little key, and you should be able to see what licenses you currently have installed on the Osiris platform. So for now, I can enable PROFINET tapping or disable Ethernet IP tapping. I can also enable or disable the security tapping, or I can also change the full duplex to half duplex as well, choosing the direction of which traffic I would like to monitor. There's another feature for settings where we have the EtherTAP streaming. This just basically turns the Atlas or Osiris platform into a gateway to have a constant stream of a PCAP. So, if you would like to know more about any of the other settings or features of the EtherTAP2, please feel free to check out our YouTube channel, or you can contact us at anybus.com/contacts. Thank you and goodbye for now.